So last night, me and Dad went to put the animals up for the night, feed them, whatnot, and we found all of our wethers, most of our wethers, inside the buck section of our barn. And if you have wethers and bucks, you know it's not good for them to mingle together. So we discovered that the goats had knocked over a good portion of their fence, so we had to pull it up temporarily, and today I'm just gonna temporarily fix it until we fix the whole damn thing. So and I'm doing it without Dad because he's at church right now and he was not looking forward to doing this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do it so he doesn't have to. So this section of fencing here, this is pretty sad. This is in a sad state, but it was right at this location here. They bent all this down and we're able to get into the buck area. I know the plan eventually is to get all this shored up, much like we're going to do on the other side. We're going to do 4x4s along this side. And perhaps along the back as well, but I think we're just going to keep the metal stakes, but I think we're going to reset them, put them in a little deeper, maybe fortify them a little more, and then perhaps put cattle panel or this other smaller stuff. The issue with cattle panel is with goats is like they like to stick their head in it to get the grass on the other side, and they get bent up and warped, so oftentimes we'll put this smaller fencing up so they don't stick their heads through. Yeah, we're gonna address this one of these days, but it's just one of those things. If you have a farm, if you've ever been on a farm, you know that the work just never, ever, ever ends. But would you have it any other way? Hey guys, it's Sunny. I'm here on a Friday night editing this video, and I realize it's going to be kind of a short video, so I apologize in advance for that, but I just didn't get to video a whole lot this week. It's not like we didn't get a bunch done. That's kind of the issue, is I'm
I'm just tired, man. I'm tired. I started a new job about a month or so ago, and it's pretty physically demanding, on my feet all day, and then I come home and work on the farm or edit videos, or I also work on music. I'm just tired, so apologies for the short video, but I don't want it to sound like I'm complaining. I'm not. In fact, it's just the opposite. In the year and a half or so that I've been working on the farm, I've probably transformed my life for the better in that short year and a half than I have probably in all my other years combined. For a long time, I struggled with things like self-esteem and anxiety and depression, and earlier this year, it actually almost got the better of me. But being with my parents and being surrounded by their support and their love and their guidance, I mean, I'm learning so much. How to farm, how to garden, how to take care of animals, how to repair fences. It's been a life-changing experience, and I'm learning things that I am going to have with me for the rest of my life. And my intent is to keep this farm going and to hopefully pass it on to future generations. But it wouldn't have happened if I hadn't have gone through those struggles. I wouldn't be back at home if I didn't have pretty severe struggles in my life. And with my mom and dad next to me and teaching me everything, I'm better off than I've ever been.
Well, it's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it'll separate the goats.